Summer is almost here. Fuel prices are on the rise. And, well, you're feeling a bit nervous. Well, don't sweat it. Call John's HVAC now. From purchase to repair and everything in between, John's HVAC offers a full range of services to address all the needs of your entire cooling and heating system. Looking at a new unit? Call John today for your free estimate. Maintenance? Keep your products in tip-top shape. You need a repair? Don't panic. We have qualified, reliable professionals on staff to serve every make and model you might have. So if you're feeling nervous, don't sweat it. Stay cool and call John's HVAC today.